Gold live news trading strategy. Hello and welcome guys, welcome to Forex Gold. So in this video I am going to share my gold news trading strategy. Okay, so these all are paid strategies which I am sharing with you guys for free. So please like the video and please subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, so let's not waste any time. So first you need investing.com app. You can download it from Play Store, which is fully free. So as you can see, this is gold. Okay guys, and just we need to come to calendar section. Once we enter calendar section, we can see over here there are all events. So today is 5th. Today is 5th of January 2022. So this is today, 5th of January. So these are all the events happening on today. Okay guys, and this is tomorrow, this is this week, all events, and this is yesterday event. Okay guys, so how to find out, what do we need? Okay, so this is the simple chart which I'm using. This is of gold, as you can see over here, XAUUSD. Okay guys, so this video will I don't want it to be long. Okay, so you might find it boring, so that's why I am trying to keep it short. Okay guys, so listen carefully and please don't skip the video. Okay, so when you come to this section, so first we will check the yesterday's movement and then we will check today's movement. Okay, so as you can see on the left side there are some bulls. Okay, so every event is representing some bulls, so that's the movement, it representing the movement, how strong the movement can be. So we need to find three bulls of USD event which has three bulls in USD. Okay guys, so I'll find, let me find it. So you can see there is a three bull, but this is China. We want USD because we are trading in gold. Okay guys, so let me check. As you can see here also three bulls, but this is euro. Okay guys, we are looking for USD. So as you can see here, 2080, that means yesterday at 8:30 p.m. in the evening there were two events. Okay guys, so let's make our analysis and I'll explain you what happened yesterday. Okay, so this is the chart. This is the chart which I am using 30 minutes time frame, and I am only going to use two indicators. Okay, so first indicator will be our simple pivots, and let me show you the settings. So what you need to do is just click over here and just click on Fibonacci and just keep it daily and just select OK. Alright, so this is our first setting, and we have a 21 moving average. We have a daily moving average, simple moving average of 21, period 21. Okay guys, so I will explain you further. So this is our just a beginning video. Okay, so just understand the basics, and afterwards I'll be explaining till advanced, step by step. Okay guys, so as you can see the date over here, today is 5th and yesterday 4th. Okay guys, so let me show you yesterday movement. So as you can see guys, 2030, that means 8:30 in the evening USD. What was the movement? And let me show you over here. Sorry. A reading that is stronger than forecast is generally supportive for the USD. Just keep this in mind. A reading that is stronger than forecast is generally supportive, while a weaker than forecast is generally negative. That means a reading that is greater than the forecast. This is forecast and this is actual reading. Okay, so if it is less, then the direction would be negative. When this would be upper side, then the direction would be positive. Okay guys, so let me show you the movement on you. As you can see, on 4th of January 2022 the movement was negative. What impact it makes? So let me go to 8:30 candle. So here you can see 8:30 candle. Let me do 15 minutes. So as you can see over here, this is 4th. Okay, so 4th 8:30. So here you can see the time 8:30, and as you can see, this gave a pretty good move. For this is just for scalping. Those who have low capital of $10 or so, they can trade here. So in further videos, I'll be explaining you how you can take your trades before the news event. This is 6 o'clock. How you can manage to take trade over here, what things you need to check and how you need to verify. I'll be explaining you everything. Okay guys, so this was the yesterday's movement. What do you understand? What I want to tell you is, when this is down, okay, when the news is down in USD, the price will be upper side, and when the news is positive over here, when the news is positive, the price will be downside. Okay, so now let's check something else. So as you can see, the same news was on December 8, and the results were positive and these results were negative. So if results are negative, then our trade will be upper side, our trend will be upper side. So let me show you for a positive result. Okay guys, so I'll just go to chart and let me check the date. You can check the date over here, December 8. So let me go to December 8. So guys, as you can see, December 8 of 2021. So as you can see over here, December, and the trend was downside. You got it guys. So the trend was downside. When the news in USD is upside, the gold direction will be downside. Okay guys, and when the news here is negative, when the news here is negative, our trend will be fully positive. Okay guys, as you can see over here, 4th of Jan 2022, here the trend was fully positive. Okay guys, so this is how you can do the live trading. Please watch my yesterday video. That was my first video, and this is our second video. Please show some love guys, and please like the video and subscribe to our channel. So this is how you need to trade, and further how you can how you can verify 2-3 times and you can enter the trade. I will be explaining, and how to trade with $10 in this new strategy, only $10. Okay guys, I'll be explaining everything, and for today this is only the video. This is it, and you can see, and your homework, what is your homework? This is today's chart. Just go to today events, and today you can see there is an event on 6:45 and there is an event on 9 o'clock. All right, so these are the important events. I will try to record video, I will try to do live trading, and this is your homework. Just go through it. Okay, go through the strategy and check all the recent ones. Okay, for example, just check the yesterday. Just come here, just come here on today section. Just go to this and just check the before movements. Okay, just check the before, what happened before, so we get a clear idea. And with my further strategies, I will show you how you can book lots of pips. Okay guys, with very small SL. Okay guys, so this is it for today guys. So I hope you like it. Please like the video and please subscribe for the channel. So this is a very big moment, we are going to catch it guys. So also live trading, also I'll be doing live trading, don't worry guys. Okay, so I'll be doing live trading step by step guys. This is our second video, so don't worry, I'll be uploading everything you need to know, how you can earn with low capital. Okay guys, so please watch my first video and please subscribe the channel and please like the video guys. Please show some love. So till then, peace out.